Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Nigerian Stock Exchange Daily Market Review on what the market says for today, the first day of the week, Monday 22nd of June 2020. Let's kick off and see what the agenda for today is. For today, we'll look at the summary of the market, what happened at the floor today, then look at the data for the all-share index. Our chart, we go to our charts, look at what the candlestick is telling us, then review the sectors, and then come back to one or two stocks that are of interest today. All right, for the summary, market sentiments continue to be negative. The market lost close to 30% today, with the market closing at 24,753. Total transacted deals were close to 4,000, with almost, in terms of value, about 1.3 billion exchange hands today on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Year to date, investor has lost close to 8%, and for this month of June to date, the losses stand close to 2%. Looking at the market breadth, is still bad. A total of 26 stocks are declined, while just 12 advanced. Let's look at the active stocks, the 5 most active stocks on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. The first one is based on the volume. The first is Japo Oil, with a total of 13 million. 600,000 transacted. Granted Trust Bank followed closely with about 11 over 11 million volume, followed by Zenith Bank, UBA, and Charms with a total of close to 8 million days transacted. 5 top gainers, we have Nestle, Filsin, Afriprod, FCMB, and Sterling Bank. Let's go to the first 5 top losers. The first one is Stanbic, Adova, Flour Mill, Nigerian Breweries, and Boa Cement. Boa Cement, interestingly, lost today with almost more than 2%. All right, let's go to the chart and see what the data says. Yeah, this is the daily chart for the Nigerian Stock Exchange All Share Index. As you can see today, the downtrend continues. For today, we have the market started with bearish, then towards the end, the bulls came in and closed the market close to where it started from. Not a very good one. It's still close to this support level that we're expecting the market to come to. As I mentioned before, this is a rejection candle. We've been seeing rejection candles since last week, but it continues. It started the first day of the week, but for me, this level is so risky. If we have it's happening about 50% retracement, that is more valid than what is happening at the top. Okay, so let's look at the weekly chart for last week. What happened last week was bearish candle. So we have a sell-off first the last 4 weeks, and while the last week the data the market started coming down. So for me, it's not safe to start buying until we have the market is so saturated with sell-off. Then probably there's rejection towards this level. For now, the sell-off continues. All right, now let's look at the sector. Interesting. There is something I saw there on this sector. This is banking sector. On this banking sector, it continues to go down. The sell-off continues on the banking. On Yeah, this is the interesting one. As we saw last week, I mentioned last week based on this chart that people should watch out and start cherry picking on this sector. That's the consumer goods sector. You see what happened. There's a pullback and it started rising this week, and it's already making higher highs. Let's go back to while other. This is the general market is trending down. Every other sectors are trending down. Oil and gas, insurance, banking, oil and gas. Okay, but consumer good is making higher highs. You can see that on the rate chart itself. It breaks this high today and close above it, making a new high. So that's a good sign for that sector. So the stocks there, people should start cherry picking and key into one or two stocks there. All right. So what do we have next? Let's look at the 30. Yeah, just dictating the Asia index. So this is the 30 most capitalized on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. The data is also falling. It's also falling. So nothing will happen until these big guys started trading up. Okay, that is the sector review. We've seen one sector that is very interesting, looking promising, and that is the consumer goods. Banking is going down. In fact, as of today, the seller was very high, so we expected more. It's at a support level. If there is any rejection here, that would be great. But what happened today? Let's see the volume. Uh, yeah, the volume is low, so we might see some rejection tomorrow. But the bear will continue a little bit before the bull comes in. If there is any rejection at this level, it will be interesting to look at the banking, the good stocks in the banking sector. Now let's look at one or two stocks. Yeah, I mentioned in this morning I posted something about Boa Cement making a new high, 52-week high, closing at this level at 44 last Friday, but today it's declined and it pulled back a bit. So interesting. So what should we expecting? Uh, this is created. That's resistance level. Is finding it difficult to move above 44. So it pulled back again. So if there is any pullback to this level, either 38, 38 naira or this level at what level is this? At 41. This is 41. There's a pullback to 41 and there is a good rejection. I think I'll prefer 38. So that would be a good time to buy this Boa Cement. Not doing badly. It's been trending up while most stocks are going down. So it's showing strength in general weakness of the market. So what's Access doing? Access last week it was showing some strength. Yeah, you can see the strength is still valid. So the support is still maintaining the support level at 6.72. So I think Access is ready. Anything from 650 to 670, Access is ready. It will just be consolidating around this level. That is what I I feel access will be doing. So we have good opportunity in access and Boa Cement. UBA, there's a little a negative rejection. The rejection is not good enough for me. So probably tomorrow we can see some sell-off as well. What happened with the volume? Yeah, the volume is slow. We can see some little sell-off tomorrow, even up to below 620. If I move below 620, so what is the 50% retracement level will be 50%. uh Fibonacci level, that will be somewhere here about 5.8. So this will give us a fairly good risk reward ratio. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I have for the review of the Nigerian Stock Exchange for today, the 22nd of June. Uh, if you are new to this channel, you've not subscribed, please find time to subscribe so that you get a notification as soon as I post new videos. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Bye.